One of my lovely children claimed to have accidentally dropped this laptop. It's a Dell, and so that was last week. So as a result, it was not turned on. It will not even accept charge. Because right now you see the charger right here. It's on, and the issue is once I plug it, it just turned off. Now I'm going to plug it, and you see the light will go away. Okay, it is plugged, and then you see the light is not there anymore. So it's just not taking charge, and it won't even turn on. I removed the back battery. Okay, the rechargeable battery, and still the same. All right, so I removed all the screws and the battery back here. See, that's the battery and the screws. So now just have to figure out how to open take out the bottom cover so I can check the plug. Take out all the screws, visible screws, on the back, and then remove and take out the battery. Okay, I also open this the back door here, and that's where just to make it safe. And that's where the hard drive is. So this is the this is the hard drive. Okay, I remove it, and after that we have to flip it over. Flip it over, and then so what we did, I removed the keyboard. And to remove the keyboard, you got the little fasteners on the side, and use a little Sharpie, a sharp printed object to get them out, okay, and to loosen it up. And then, you'll see this will come, they will come loose, and then from there, and you disconnect this, okay. Then there are some. There are three small Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3. That's holding the motherboard, and you get that out also. Then we just go ahead and you use also a printed object to get all the contour loosen up, because there are dozens, if not I want to say 100, but dozens of fasteners or clips that holds the this here. So you have to carefully ply them loose. Okay, and then also remember there's this part here, and that's where it's attached on the corner. It's just a cover, and you have to slowly manage to get that to get it open. And so now you'll have access, and so this will come out by itself. Okay, the screws. Now one might say, if we open it from the top, why we have to remove the screws at the bottom here? Well, the reason you do that, it's because you see this cover here, and I believe the screws they're the one that holds this together. And so from the bottom screws, and you see 1, 2, you see them, those are screws at the bottom of this one here, so attached to the cover, the top cover. So you have to remove them in order to get the top cover with the keyboard out. So from there you can do whatever you want with your computer. So now for me, what I'm trying to figure out, that's something different, different video. I want to know why it's not charging after it took a fall, and it just would not charge. So trying to figure out what it is. If it's something I can fix, yeah. If not, then since I removed the this out, okay, the memory, okay, so I can just buy another one, or take this to some specialist and have the all the important documents removed or saved to a different device. Well, I fixed it. The charging port was loose after the fall, and so now it's able to hold charge. So good job on my part.